children. Hope all of you are healthy and safe at homes. Children, once again, I am here with another topic of the village Palampur. Will the land sustain? Children, as we know that land is a natural resource of utmost importance. It is fixed also. Therefore, we have to utilize the land in such a way that it can be conserved, it can be utilized in such a way that there is minimum wastage of land. Because land is limited, we cannot increase it. Scientific reports indicates that modern farming methods have overused the natural resource base. In many areas, green revolution is associated with many problems. What are these problems? You can say disadvantages of green revolution. Number one, loss of soil fertility. How soil fertility is reduced by using more and more chemical fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, etc. Lowering of water table. Water table is going down day by day. Why? Because the modern farming methods, they require more water. Because high yielding varieties of seeds, they use more water. That's why the water table is going down day by day. Soil and water, these are the two most important natural resource, and they are built up over many years. Once these resources are destroyed, it is very difficult to restore them. That's why we must take care of the environment to ensure future development of agriculture. So children, see, these are the problems, you can say disadvantages of green revolution. What are they? Loss of soil fertility, lowering of water table. Chemical fertilizers also pollute groundwater. They also kill bacteria and microorganisms which are helpful for soil. Increased use of fertilizers can make the soil alkaline. So these are the demerits, or you can say disadvantages of green revolution. Now children, I am going to discuss another topic, that is land distribution in Palampur. Children, see, this is the diagram. This is the diagram which tells us how the land, cultivated land, is distributed in Palampur. Clear? See, there are many small fields. Some are bigger, some are very big in size. We will discuss it later on. So see children, how the land is distributed in Palampur. You must have realized how important land is for farming. Unfortunately, not all the people engaged in agriculture have sufficient land for cultivation. In Palampur, there are total 450 families. How many families are there? 450 families are there. Out of these 450, 150 families have less than 150 families have landless. Means they don't have any piece of land. Then 240 families are there which have land less than 2 hectares. 60 families are there which have land more than 2 hectares. Is it clear? A few of these families have more than 10 hectares of land which are like this. So children, see how the land is distributed in Palampur. See, landless family 150, less than 2 hectare 240, families who cultivated more than 2 hectares of land 60, and a few farmers have more than 10 hectares of land. And this diagram shows us how the land is distributed in Palampur. See how small these land holdings are. These are very small land holdings. These are bigger ones, more than 2 hectares. These are 10 hectares. So this is how the land is distributed in Palampur. Now we will come to another important topic of this. Who will provide the labor? Who will provide the labor means from where we will get labor for agriculture activity. So children, after land, labor is the most important factor of production. So children, after land, the labor is another most important factor of production. Now here arises a question: who will provide the labor? Who will provide the labor? After land, labor is the next necessary factor for production. Farming requires a great deal of hard work. Small farmers, along with their families, cultivate their own fields. So those who are small farmers, those who have very little piece of land, they used to work in their fields along with their family members. Thus, they provide the labor required for farming themselves. Medium and large farmers hire farm laborers to work on their field. Those farmers who have big fields, they used to hire labor, and those who are having a small piece of land, they work in their fields along with their family members. Now, farm laborers come either from landless families or families cultivating small plots of land. Unlike farmers, farm laborers do not have a right over the crops grown on the land. Instead, they are paid wages by the farmers for whom they work. So generally, these laborers, they get wages for their work. Wages can be in cash or in kind of crop. Sometimes laborers get meals also. Wages vary widely from region to region, from crop to crop, from one farm activity to another, like sowing and harvesting. So wages vary from region to region, from season to season, from crop to crop. There is also a wide variation in the duration of employment. This is the most vulnerable problem of agriculture sector. A farm labor might be employed on a daily basis or for one particular farm activity like harvesting, or for the whole year. So these laborers, farm laborers, they are not getting job for the whole year. There is an example of Dala, who is a landless farm laborer who works on daily wages in Palampur. This means he must regularly look for work. The minimum wages for a farm laborer set by the government is rupees 60 per day, but Dala is getting 35 to 40. So in Palampur, wages are quite low. But even after this, there is a heavy competition for work among the farm laborers in Palampur because there is no other activity for them. So people agree to work on lower wages also. So children, this is all about who will provide the labor. Small farmers, those who have a small piece of land, they used to work in their farms along with their family members. Medium and large farmers, they used to hire laborers for different agricultural activities. Wages are different from one region to another. There is a heavy competition in Palampur for work, though the wages are quite low. So children, this is all for today's class. Hope you will understood all these topics. In the next session, we will discuss the capital needed in farming. Thanks.